the major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura
Ashafo akwaba sunko enkoma obibia sedaneda munya ebre eje edwati ensema yede ebebe sumu e too much efide kasi sumu ni too much de daneda ye kase we are your #1 loyal and credible channel ye wo ho edemamu abre ene abre bia ne de mensema amabo ne bede sema ponyini abuma ye ba betese ma twene sre ene abasa ede abusiafo esawani ensese ye ka ede cho audio bi ababepemu e wo map no eso ye yankasa ye nuaba ye queen Afia Schwars wo all share and I say what they about what they can CEO of Pinamang Cosmetics will soon panacho said the beya any product as I say and I'm say yeah Afia Schwars about one thing ebeka can say be the farm say yeah in kuni and any product we use here man ankles ne elbow ne de can wire tuntum ma just say kwapin polo so de dia ebebe boss on was rese enche okopot nti ye Afia embra na Afia ne de embe patronize ye ne product ne emano say de be ya nkrofon susum ebetimi aba abeto de everyone ni hu say eye wono ne de anya sa pan dia ene asem na eto no na say de ye Afia hu ne say abaye yi ebra wo ba bontin be ka say ni product nye ne ho nkro ne ba na no mu chese wo gigine mu ye ne ho se de asede won te hwe anaso wo no amu ye Pinamang no ba ye bebe gugu nkrofo ehu efin ye medical no wo mom keka ho se wo mu ne ba ne nchen bebe pa na cho no nkro ne ba no enti na ono susu enya this opportunity se Pinamang pa afre no de ni so pa na cho dia ono susu e de beba abegu ye nanimu ase na abusiafo mu mayin kotie ye audio no na ye ba ye beto aso.
Oh, mami, nyamisha wate. Me dance, nyamisha. If you me pe audita o, me pe audita, mpacho pe audita mami. Ene o Stockholm di abreme no me raho. Me stro pe audita ni anko check di abo warehouse. Pe audita ene u free store mo po wa ichina. Nako warehouse ene man we yigu ano wa ye video. Na wo di microphone mu say wo nema ombetimi abetu akoton Afia misro bo me wa enka chekwa ko misro nyesa ne rebe ho bakasa baso de etu de me enye homework ni nyina ewi ansa wa that's it.
Say ye nuaba CEO of Pinamang Cosmetics wodin nsem no etu eja na Afia release audio we no anso wa wo caption ye ewo ase ese madam these tears move me to help you. You were quick to release my response to this audio, but didn't tell the world the number of times you wake me up at dawn to cry on phone to help you sell those fake products. You didn't tell the world what your fake product did to my skin. Madam, as at now, you still owe me money for work I did for you. Yet you are calling people, discussing me and calling me names, calling me bluff. Let me ask you, how did FDA approve that nonsense you are selling? How many of your brand ambassadors do all these things you were requesting me to do for you? But I do it wholeheartedly with my own fuel. I practically run your shop. They day-to-day activities for you, and yet you also want to drag me through the mud. By the time I am done with you and your fake product, the damaged skin, that damaging skin, you will know what to mess with. Call at AMG Medical and his wife at Fela McAfee. Tell them what you told me about them and their pregnancy before I do it publicly. Whilst you are at it, call Bullet and tell him what you said about him, Wendy Shea and Fantana, and how they are begging you to sign them for 2,000 Ghana cedis. Sorry, I have the audio Bullet send you, so I will post it shortly. Ungrateful bitch. Wait any a year and someone yenya ba a year Afia Schwars nigga. After so release a year audio no wadi atu a year Afia wochemu ese abaya yi afe no ne nya pa woni ni enyam ye afe krampo na gro no aso na wonu obegu n'anim ase wobema Ghana fo nyina ehunu ne nyoma bone a woye se wonu etimi ma ne ho ye ha ebebe kan no won se me release wonu ne nsem ne niam a ekoso wo mo entem abra no wonim se sa ni audio we e wonu honum wonyane no ahomache awia anopa ene de kan mo se de be ya wo besele eye ni product ade ama ne dia ene wonu so no won so emfere so obegu eye nanim ase na abusuafo thank you say ensem we die Pinamang yeah cosmetics ne yeah celebrities our sign e wo mo nsem de kenim say to HRN sa na say afei die yenya audio ana say audio aba abonten a yenua bayi epa Afia cho say de wo memeton aye ni product ma no na wedi kan aba begu abaya no ho efi no ma afei ensem no eye na kakra we ene magana fododo na eka say we ema eye embabunu no ene wo bi biara wasisuo wo fa yonkom ana wo ni obi eduduma na wa ma wani ayeden ada hono because obi wo hono ma wo yusum for eye wono ankasa ni on good wo be wie na afi wo ka eye wo ho ensem wo be wie na afi wo na wode wo po ano ama ni dwumadi ekoso no na afi wo mom wa baba be ye eye ne tamfo ama afi na wo sewo na ono no mom hwe se ne dwumadi ebekoso enti ye fa namfo ana ye gro e de akoba bia moma eye ye ni enda eye na se eye Afia Schwars nigga wodi eye ye nua ban ni audio yi ebebeto abontin a ne nsem wodi etudwe na ye ne kwanso ano no anka wonja maninka ana se de wo ye no eno no se de be ya ebema next time no wo ye bibi ana se wodi dwuma bi a wamanani ada hono fo adwencha wo fa ensem yi ho ebra ebetu eye eja e wo tuma GH comment section subscribe to the channel no so when ye na ebiem so like the videos na share e wo all social media platform so wait me to follow ye e wo ye IG page na Twitter page so tuma GH _ Facebook too much GH e escapa enemy that's it e be sanishia.